Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. We'll dive into it real quickly as to not waste anybody's time. Just know if you're interested in applying, the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Mudflap. Now, Mudflap is a startup company. They're on a mission to transform the trucking industry. One thing to quickly note, this open page, when it opens, it'll say view open positions. This page is already open to the position that I am sharing. You just have to scroll down a little bit. It tells all about the company, but if you keep scrolling down, you'll see that you'll come to a heading that says card specialist for the morning shift. Mudflap is hiring a card specialist for their fleet card. Of course, this is going to be the morning shift. They're looking for somebody to work 4 o'clock in the morning a.m. to 12 o'clock p.m. Pacific time, or that means 7 a.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. This will also require working 1 weekend day per week, so make sure you're okay with that. But the rest of the days, it is all going to be morning shift. No evenings are required. But this is a customer service position. They're looking for somebody to answer the incoming phone calls and emails and assist the customers with using their fleet card to make fuel purchases at gas stations, navigating the web portal, making payments, and whatever else they need related to their Mudflap fleet card. You'll also have to place outbound calls to assist the customers who are getting errors with their Mudflap fleet card. You'll manage card support Slack channel. You'll provide above and beyond customer support and develop an understanding of the fleet card product to effectively help those customers. So you're just basically customer support for their fleet card. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just somebody who has a passion for customers and delivering the best customer service possible. Of course, you have to have great communication skills. They want somebody who is self-motivated and a self-starter, and someone who can be a multitasker. Now, this is paying anywhere from $21 an hour all the way up to $23 an hour, and does include a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.